thought about the right disability insurance for you? I mean, imagine losing your ability to work. Tomorrow, how would you cover your expenses? For healthcare professionals and high income earners, your income is your most valuable asset. And today, I am breaking down why having the right disability insurance is a non-negotiable, how to choose the best policy for your needs, and why an independent policy is the gold standard. But before we dive into the details, I want to give you a real life scenario. Dr. Mia is an orthopedic surgeon, and she thought that she was covered with her employer policy. But when a car accident left her unable to perform surgeries, her policy didn't pay out because she could still work in a non-surgical role. That's when she learned the importance of having a true own occupation disability insurance policy. If Dr. Mia had an independent policy designed for her specific needs, she could have received benefits while maintaining her income and options. Instead, she's faced monthly financial strain while trying to adjust to her new reality on less money. What is disability insurance? Disability insurance replaces a portion of your income if you can't work due to illness or injury. However, not all policies are created equally, especially for high income earners like healthcare professionals. So let's talk about what you need to know, because there's some details here. And let's start with the most important detail that is often disguised by some policies like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Yeah, that's right. So listen up, because I want you to be able to spot the key differences in the policies. One of the most critical terms to understand is true own occupation. This type of policy pays out if you cannot perform the specific duties of your job, even if you could still work in another capacity, which is the benefit. So for example, a surgeon who can no longer operate but can teach would still qualify for the benefits under a true own occupation policy. However, with a general disability insurance policy like the one provided by your employer, you might be denied benefits because you can technically work. This distinction is important for specialized professions where your job requires very unique skills and you want to protect those skills. So you may think that your employer policy is sufficient, but let me tell you, it is not. Employer provided disability insurance often has significant gaps. One, it's technically tied to your current job, meaning if you lose it or if you switch employers, then you lose the benefits. And benefits are often capped, which may not cover your full income. It may lack the robust terms found in private policies like true own occupation coverage. That's why an independent policy is the gold standard. Working with an independent broker who can shop across all providers ensures that you're going to get the best terms for your profession and specific needs and income, right? So you want to make sure that it's all encompassing, and an independent broker can do that. So you might be asking yourself, how much do you need? Most disability insurance policies replace 60 to 70% of your income. So here's a quick rule of thumb. Calculate your essential monthly expenses and aim to cover at least that amount. If you're a high income earner, consider policies with higher benefit caps to match your lifestyle and obligations. Knowing the details about true own occupation is great, but you won't get the correct policy with the appropriate writers unless you go to the correct broker. And I will tell you that not all brokers are created equally. So if you want to know who I have used personally and I trust with my disability insurance and life insurance, then let me introduce you to my broker. My broker has literally saved us thousands of dollars, and I am certain that they will do the same for you. So just click the link below and I will connect you with a trusted agent to purchase your policy. Now let's talk about some tips for choosing the right policy and broker. One is to work with an independent broker. This means somebody who can shop from every single company and compare policies from multiple providers to tailor your coverage to your exact needs. They'll also help you understand the complex terms and avoid any hidden pitfalls. You want to make sure that you interview them to get an idea of their customer service, how they answer questions before hiring them. 2 is ensure true own occupation coverage. This is especially critical for healthcare professionals and for specialists. And number 3, you want to customize your policy with riders. Consider add-ons like inflation protection or residual benefits to account for any type of partial disabilities. And 4, you want to start early. Premiums are lower when you're younger and healthier, so don't wait to get this done. Do this as soon as possible. Disability insurance is an essential layer of financial protection, but once that is in place, the next step is making sure that you can max out your employer benefits like your 401k match. And in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take full advantage of your employer's match for your 401k. And if you want to know how to take full advantage of other types of benefits, then watch this video right here where I teach you how to maximize your benefits. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone else. It will help me to be able to share this information that's so critical to protecting our finances and for us to continue to grow as a community. Now, let me ask you, what is one step that you're going to take to secure your financial future and protect your income? And I hope that it is clicking the link below so that you can get access to my trusted agent who has saved me thousands of dollars, and I'm sure they can do the same for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.